Pre-K. This week we are learning about pond life and the frog life cycle. So frogs lay eggs. So here are the frog eggs. Then once the eggs hatch and grow, starts to form a tadpole. After the tadpole, this is called a froglet. And then after the froglet is fully formed and grown, it's a frog. So for the frog life cycle, you can do this two different ways. One way is you can write these words in the rectangle. Another way, if you don't want to write the words, is you can use scissors and cut them out and glue them where they belong. So first, let's read the words together. F says f, like frog. This word is frog. Next to frog has a word that starts with a T. T says t, t, like tadpole. Tadpole is this picture. After the eggs are hatched, they start to become tadpoles. Then when the tadpole starts growing, here's an F word. So it says frog, like the first word, but you see L-E-T at the end, froglet. This is a froglet. He's not quite a frog. He's between a tadpole and a frog. And this one is E for eggs. I'm going to write the words instead of cutting and gluing today. So I'm going to look, this is the first part. This is eggs. And here, E-G-G-S spells eggs. I'm going to write it in the rectangle. E-G-G-S. You can use one hand to write and your other finger can point to help you. After eggs, follow the arrow. That is a tadpole. This is a longer word. T-A-D-P-O-L-E. After the tadpole comes the froglet. So there's frog, just like this, but with the 3 extra letters spells froglet. Let me turn my paper. O-G, so that spells frog. This is the frog, so I need to add those 3 extra letters, L-E-T, that spell froglet. So I need my L, my E, and my T. Froglet. All right, eggs to the tadpole, tadpole to froglet, froglet to the frog, F-R-O-G. F-R-O-G. Now I am done. I can color it if I want. I can just color the arrows if you want. But I do need to remember my name. I'm going to practice my first and last name, uppercase J, U-L-I-E. That spells Julie. Notice my U-L-I-E are all lowercase, just like your name should be. Capital C for Carpenter. Now I'm going to write my last name. All right, so we are done with this one. The life cycle of a frog is eggs, tadpole, froglet, and frog. The frog is all grown up. Starts with an egg, but now he's just a frog. He went through the life cycle. He was a tadpole, a froglet, and now he's a frog. All right, so really quick on our second paper, this is a counting one. Find and count pond creatures. It says, find and color the pond creatures in the picture below. Count and record how many of each you find. So I'm not going to color them because I don't want to get confused. We did this before in pre-K when we made a graph, and it was always easier when we put an X on the picture as we counted. So if we find the duck, let's count the ducks and X them. 1, 2, 3. Do you see any more ducks? There is one here he was trying to hide. 4. I found 4 ducks. I'm going to write the number 4 in the square next to the ducks. Now let's find the frogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I do not see any more frogs. All of my frogs have an X on them, and there were 6 of them. I'm going to write the number 6 in this square. All right, the tadpoles keep catching my eye. So let's count the tadpoles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I counted 7 tadpoles. 7. Now let's count the fish. 1, 2, 3, 4. I only see 4. Oh, wait a minute. He was being a sneaker. Number 5. There are 5 fish. Dragonflies. They're so pretty. I really like dragonflies. 1, 2, 3. Is that all? I only see 3 dragonflies. I'm going to write the number 3 and the square next to the dragonfly. That means there are 3 dragonflies. All right, Mr. Snail, you are my last friend. 1, 2. Is that it? Did we get all of them? There are only 2 snails. So it's good to check your work. And now that we counted, we just can look and all of my pictures have an X on them. That means they are all counted for. I'm going to write my name at the top. I'll write my last name also, capital C-A-R-P-E-N-T-E-R, Julie Carpenter. All right, I did both of my papers. Remember, you can use anything you want when you write. You can use a highlighter. You could use a fun pen. Or Miss Julie's favorite is my big bag of permanent markers. I don't know what it is, but I like writing with permanent markers. All right, my friends, I hope you enjoy Pond Life Week and you will learn a lot, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.